Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Learn English at Home. In today's session, we are learning the irregular comparative and the superlative form of the adjective far. The adjective far, its comparative forms are farther or further, and its superlative forms are farthest or furthest. Farther is a comparative form and its superlative form is farthest. Far's comparative form is also further and its superlative form is furthest. So what is the difference? Difference between farther or further or farthest or furthest. Let's learn step by step. Now let's learn the use of farther and farthest. Farther is the comparative form of far and farthest is the superlative form of far. Now see this example. Three persons A, B, C, they are standing at the certain point. A is far from the house. Comparatively A, B is farther than A and C is the farthest of all. So here far means long distance. Farther, that is comparative form, that means more far distance, and the superlative form farthest means most far distance. So farther and farthest, they are used to show the physical or measurable distance. The physical or more measurable distance of persons, places or things from a certain point. So we have learned farther, it is the comparative form of far and farthest is the superlative form of far. Farther and farthest, they are used to show the physical distance, that is measurable distance. Physical, measurable distance of persons, places, things from a certain point. See the example. Amit ran farther than Sumit. Here farther is the comparative form of far, it shows the physical distance. What is farther? Delhi or Chandigarh from Mumbai. Again, farther, the comparative form of far shows the physical distance. I got the farthest seat from the door. Again, farthest, that is the superlative form, shows the physical distance, that is the last seat from the door. My school is far from my house. Again, far is the positive form and it shows the physical distance. Which planet is the farthest from the earth? Again, farthest, that is the superlative form of far, it shows the physical distance. So farther and farthest, they are used to show the physical distance or the measurable distance. We have learned farther and farthest, they are used to show the physical distance or measurable distance. Further and furthest, they are also the irregular forms of far. Further in comparative degree and furthest in superlative degree. Further and furthest, they are used to show the non-physical distance, immeasurable distance or figurative distance. Further and furthest means more, in addition to, extra or next. See the examples. I don't want to discuss any further. Any further means I don't want to discuss in addition to. I want to get down at the further stop, next stop. Do you have any further information, extra information? Do you have any further question, next question? Who has thrown the javelin the furthest in the Olympics? So these are the examples of further and furthest that shows the non-physical distance. That means more, in addition to, extra or next. See some more examples of further and furthest. Further in comparative degree, furthest in superlative degree. Further and further, that means more, in addition to, extra or next. He was sitting at the furthest corner. Allow me to explain you a little further, little more. He is pursuing further education, next education. The furthest end of garden is very beautiful. I will discuss with you further. Further means afterwards. So these are the examples of further and furthest that are used to show the non-physical or immeasurable or figurative distance. That means more in addition to extra or next. So today we have learned the irregular form of far, that is farther and farthest. Farther in comparative degree, farthest in superlative degree. Farther and farthest, they are used to show the physical distance, measurable distance. The irregular form of far is also further and furthest. Further in comparative degree, furthest in superlative degree. Further and furthest, they are used to show the non-physical distance, or you can say immeasurable distance, figurative distance. Further and furthest means extra, next, in addition to, or more. And I hope you have understood the difference. If you want to understand them, watch the video again and again. Practice the sentences. Such differences are asked in the competitive exams, so learn them clearly. If you like my videos, do like it, subscribe it and share it.